Today's recipe is this creamy garlic sauce with chicken and potatoes. So start by parboiling your potatoes whole, then you're just going to add them into an oven-proof dish, seasoned with paprika, garlic, parsley and salt and pepper. Then you're going to fry off your chicken. I've layered it in a very light layer of flour. Then fry off your chicken until it's cooked on both sides and through. Fry off some onions, add in your seasonings. I've listed them here. Then you're going to add in a small bit of vegetable stock. You can use chicken stock preferably, but I only had vegetable stock. Add some cream, then spinach. Then you're going to add more vegetable stock, more cream, and some grated mozzarella to thicken the sauce up. Once the sauce has thickened, you're going to add back in your cooked chicken breasts, top with parsley, and that's it. Then you're going to remove your potatoes from the oven and serve and enjoy. This is perfect for meal prep and super tasty.